where I need it to be. Yeah, I don't really think we're going to have to worry about dry time.
Okay. It's just soaking it right in.
It just soaks it right in.
All right.
About to get started on the big room. It's a little late in the day, but we decided to go for it because it's sunny and figure it's a little warmer in here compared to what it's going to be tomorrow. So I'm going to try and make a big push and rock and roll, but we were able to get the pantry stained. And that's our bedroom. Guest bedroom. Move the fireplace back to here. Stain our way back, move the fireplace, and then finish up. See how we make out. Fingers crossed. What's happening, everybody? I thought I would do the same thing I did in the last video. Dayna and I are about to start putting some poly on the floors, but I figured before we did that I would jump in there and show you guys the stained floor real fast, so you can check that out before we get started. Keep these videos kind of short and sweet. Let's check it out. All right. So you can sort of see a bit of my sanding marks in some spots. This was a heavy trafficked area and we had a little lippage on both boards, so obviously I hit both, but if you see the stain as I walk, you know, there's no color difference. It's not like it's soaked in more or less. It's just, you know, it was a 220 grit sand, so it kind of gave a different finish. Like I said, if you look from this side, you don't see any of those marks. So my hope is that the satin poly sort of helps blend that and smooth that out a little bit. I'm not concerned otherwise, but yeah, so this is the stained floor. I think it turned out really pretty. So we're gonna start back in the bedrooms this morning and start poly and see if we can get the floor all wrapped up in about 3 or 4 days, and then we can get the wood stove set in place, start getting some heat in the house. A little hard to see the pantry, but this is the 1 bedroom. The bedroom. Not bad. Dayna and I are happy with how it turned out. We're just excited to see what the poly looks like once it gets on the floor. That's it. That's the stain. Next comes the poly. As always, guys, thanks so much for checking out the videos and stopping by the channel. If this is your first time checking out the videos, feel free to subscribe. We are gonna start polyurethane in the floors. That'll probably be the next video. And until then, man, stay fly, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.